Hi, this is Amorina. In this video, I'll be showing you how I created this irregular concept art. I started by collecting references and inspiration. I looked at unusual architecture, underwater houses, coral shapes, and vibrant marine colors to spark ideas. Next, I began sketching structures, focusing on buildings with strange irregular form to match the theme along with coral elements to enhance the underwater vibes. Once the sketch was done, I moved on to coloring. I started by adding color to the buildings using an under the sea inspired palette. I also experimented with two different colors for one of the buildings. Then I created a background to set the overall mood and tone of the piece. I placed the coral designs around the building to make the scene feel more alive and immersive. I always use symmetric tools when designing buildings. To add more narrative depth, I included one of my original characters in the background, designed to look like mysterious monster lurking in the shadows. I also added Sul, another character, to bring even more light to the scene. To make the composition more dynamic and realistic, I always work with a clear separation of foreground, midground, and background. This helps create depth and pulls the viewer into the world I'm building. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy seeing how this piece came together.